how to recover Roblox account without email or password. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to recover Roblox account if you have forgotten your password or your email address. So let's get started. First, what you can do is simply go to roblox.com/login. And this is where you will get, and you can see we can log in with our username, email, or phone number, and then we have a password. But the problem is that we have forgotten our email or our password. So it can be one case, maybe you have forgotten your email or maybe you have forgotten your password. So it's really easy to get your account back. You will get this option right here, forgot password or username. So I'm going to click on this one. All right. So we have our keys right here given. So the first option is password. So if you have forgotten your password, then you will enter your email address right here to reset your password. And then you can also use your phone number. Let's say that you do not remember your email, then you can just use your phone number and you will simply submit. Then we have another option, which is the username. So if you have forgotten your username, again, you can use your email or you can use your phone number. So if you have forgotten your email, then you will use your phone number. Keep in mind, we can do this if you have connected your email and your phone number to Roblox. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my phone number right here and click on submit. And then I will get a message with my key right here and I will be able to simply log into my account. So for privacy reasons, I'm gonna just enter my phone number right here and click on submit. And there you go, guys. I just got the message and I just, followed the instruction. And there you go. I have my Roblox back. And this is how you can also go ahead and get your Roblox account back without your email or password. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.